Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT has performed really well over recent weeks and months. We had several good pullback support zones, possible entry points for pullback traders in recent weeks. We had this one in which the price, the fourth wave, reached the ideal target for a fourth, which is the 38.2 retracement level of the third wave. And then we had this support zone here where also the price just briefly dropped below the 38.2 retracement. So it's quite a healthy wave 4, allows you to basically have a nice and full position if you're scaling into this support zone, or well, if you did. And now obviously you can reap the rewards, yeah. Because now the price has reached my next target. Only yesterday we talked about this $8.95 level, which is my minimum requirement for a third wave. But again, it's difficult to trust a third wave rally if it really only reaches the absolute minimum requirement. So to really trust this entire structure and that something solid is building here, I would like to see the price reach the ideal level for a third wave, and that is sort of around the 1.38 Fibonacci extension level. And here we talk about $9.62. Possibly if it gets above that level, which would actually be preferred, because again, the 1.236 extension is sort of the minimum requirement, but ideally we see a third wave get to the 1.38 or higher. The more a third wave extends, you could say that the more healthy it is, and the better, because it typically also means that the fifth wave, which would come after the wave 4 pullback, will, you know, the more this one will extend as well. So if the third wave extends, the fifth wave typically extends further as well. It's just simple mathematics because we're using the Fibonacci extensions and everything. But yeah, the length of the fifth wave also depends to a degree on the length of the third. So the more the third extends, the more rewarding a fourth wave pullback could be as an entry point to trade a fifth wave. So my approach here is now, I don't see a clear setup right now. We had really two good ones in the last week. So I'm just waiting to see if the top is now in. I would prefer to go higher though, to $9.62. You might ask, okay, if we get above that level, what's the next target then? We've got $10.31 and then $10.82 next. And as soon as I have a confirmation that a top of sorts has formed, I will give you a support zone for wave 4 before then the wave 5 rally should unfold. And I cannot really give you a target for 5 because I need to see how high the third wave goes. But it seems reasonable to expect the fifth wave to get to the 1.786 or even 200% extension around about $13. But it depends on how high the third goes as well. At the moment, we see a little bit of resistance here. We've got this ascending trend channel that we talked about. And at the moment the price is stuck, but we've seen many coins break out of these to the upside recently. So I don't want to rule that out, but a pullback could of course take it to that support, ascending trend line, lower support line basically of this trend channel. But for now, no change. Yeah, the scenario is currently being followed. The price is cooperating well with our wave count. And yeah, for me, it's now, you know, you could say, yeah, we have two wave counts, so one allows for another extension, and I leave it open at this stage. And because we've reached the minimum requirement now for this third wave, it could be that the top is in. I've got, you know, looking at the microstructure, I've got 5 waves up already, so it doesn't need to push any higher. I've gotten this potential fifth wave here that we're observing here. Yeah, I've got 5 waves. I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question is, how long does the wave 5 go? And I can tell you that a break below $8.30, yeah, $8.36, the last swing low, the low that was actually made today, a break below that level would be first early indication that a top of sorts has formed. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.